Guys, I'm gonna be today teaching you how to make like buttons in Castle. So basically, this is a new game. So basically, first what you want to do is make a new deck, a new empty blueprint, put it onto the screen. Then you want to make this. Make it any color. So make sure if you want to make it white, first make it like the circle gray. Gray circle and color it gray, and now grab a white one, make a white one here, so basically just somehow someone who the little button that this is a little example. So I can see this button. I want to add another frame. I just want to delete everything. Grab the white one. Oh. I want to So hold up, you just want to like make a little like circle again. So like the so now this, I can see a little button. Now make sure there's 2 frames and also the collider. Now make a circle around it. So now it knows if you're touching it or not. Now this is where the coding comes. Rules. Make a new rule when the touch begins on this. You wanna modify property a current frame, then 2. Now I'm gonna play it. Oh. You can see it goes down. I touch it. So now need the other code. Another one. So you just want to copy this and paste it on one of them. Touch end on this. Put it onto the first one. Now boom, you got a little button. If you want to add like sand to it, then if you want to just follow what I'm doing. So first, when the touch begins on this, play the sound, then and then like this one, you want to press this one. If it is good, 1337 is good. Then yeah. Then I'm going to copy this, paste it, and when the touch ends on this, now you got a little. So now you got a little button. So make sure to follow me on basically my little account is join Gamer Castle. I already have buttons here. If you want to grab those, you just can remix the thing, grab the buttons, color them if you want, change it. I mean, if you just want to get the code and don't want to like write it down, I'd rather go to my account and then just take the buttons. I mean, I'm not saying like to steal it, like take them. I mean, you don't have, just feel free to take them. I don't really care. It's just a little tutorial on how to do it. So, see you guys.